Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best siding nailers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're tackling siding installations, fencing projects, or framing tasks, these tools are built to make your life easier. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly HBT HBCN 65P 15-degree coil siding nailer. This is a fantastic entry-level option for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking for a cost-effective tool. Priced at just $125.89, it features a lightweight magnesium housing that promises durability while reducing fatigue during extended use. The easy jam-release nose guide makes maintenance a breeze, and the 360-degree adjustable exhaust ensures comfort by directing air away from you. The performance is solid for its price range, with both sequential and contact firing modes available for versatile applications. It drives plastic or wire-collated nails smoothly, handling sizes up to 2.5 inches. However, at 10.58 pounds, it's the heaviest on this list, which could be a concern for prolonged use. While it's not the most advanced tool here, it's an excellent choice for light-duty projects like siding or fencing. Pros include its affordability, durable build, and ease of maintenance. On the downside, it's heavier and less refined compared to premium models. If you're on a tight budget and need a reliable option, this nailer is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the Freeman PCN 65 pneumatic coil siding nailer. Priced at $162, this tool is a step up in terms of build quality and features. It boasts a hardened steel drive blade and anodized aluminum cylinder, making it highly durable for heavy-duty applications. The transparent bucket lets you monitor nail supply at a glance, while the 360-degree adjustable exhaust and fire lock enhance safety and usability. Performance-wise, the Freeman PCN 65 excels at siding, cedar shingles, and wood fencing projects. It's capable of bump firing for speed or sequential firing for precision, giving you flexibility depending on the task. The comfort grip handle reduces fatigue, and the No-Mar safety tip ensures professional results without damaging your work surface. While the tool weighs 5.5 pounds, it's still manageable for long days on the job site. Pros include its sturdy construction. Listen, coming in at number 4 is the Freeman PCN 65 pneumatic coils, versatile firing modes, and excellent safety features. However, the slightly bulkier design might not appeal to users who prioritize portability. Overall, this is a reliable mid-range option for homeowners and contractors alike. At number 3, we have the Makita AN613 pneumatic siding coil nailer, priced at $240. Known for its precision and efficiency, this tool is engineered for professional-grade results. The standout feature here is its tool-less depth adjustment with 9 detent settings, allowing you to achieve precise flush or countersink nailing. The smooth nose tip prevents scratching, making it ideal for sensitive materials. The Makita AN613 delivers exceptional fastening performance, thanks to its efficient motor and trigger design. It supports both contact and sequential nailing modes, giving you full control over your workflow. At 4.84 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a great choice for extended use. While it's corded electric and lacks the portability of battery-powered models, its pneumatic power ensures consistent performance. This model shines in its build quality and precision, but it falls slightly short on versatility compared to higher-end options. Pros include its ergonomic design, precise depth adjustment, and reliable performance. Cons are its reliance on a power cord and slightly higher price compared to similar models. If accuracy and build quality are your priorities, the Makita AN613 is a solid pick. At number 2, the Bostitch N66C coil siding nailer stands out as a premium option for both professionals and DIYers. Priced at $250.76, this nailer features a lightweight aluminum design that combines durability with ease of use. The adjustable depth guide allows for quick and precise nail placement, while the soft rubber foot prevents damage to softer woods, making it ideal for siding and trim work. What sets the Bostitch N66C apart is its versatility. It drives wire weld and plastic collated nails with ease, handling lengths from 1¼ inches to 2½ inches. The tool-free adjustable exhaust and sequential trip firing mechanism enhance user convenience, while its lightweight 4.08-pound design makes it one of the easiest to handle on this list. Pros include its robust build, user-friendly features, and lightweight design. However, the price point may deter casual users who don't require professional-grade reliability. If you're looking for a balance of quality and performance, the Bostitch N66C is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT NV75A5 coil nailer, the ultimate choice for professionals. Priced at $309.00, this tool is packed with features that justify its premium price tag. Its lightweight design at just 5.7 pounds ensures easy maneuverability, even during extended use. The side-load, tilt-bottom magazine makes reloading fast and efficient, while the adjustable air deflector provides maximum comfort. Rated as the Pro Preferred Nailer for 9 years running, the Metabo HPT delivers unmatched performance. It accepts both 16-degree wire coil nails and 15-degree plastic collated nails, offering versatility for siding, framing, and sheathing tasks. The selective actuation switch lets you seamlessly switch between sequential and contact nailing, while the No-Mar nose cap ensures a flawless finish on sensitive materials. Pros include its lightweight design, professional-grade performance, and versatility. The only downside is the price, which may be a stretch for casual users. However, if you're looking for the best of the best, the Metabo HPT NV75A5 is the clear winner in this lineup. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.